Immigration and mobility are the pieces that still break. Whether you're an HR leader, managing a global team, or a founder securing your own future, the process can still be a mess of disconnected spreadsheets and email threads. We feel your pain, so we built a solution. Introducing Deel Mobility, your immigration program on autopilot. Everything begins here on the immigration homepage. Think of it as your central command center, as it holds your program vitals in one place. The case tracker, a live global summary of every employee's status and expiration date. You'll never have to ask, any update on my application, or who is expiring? Again, the compliance tracker. This is your proactive engine. It centralizes all immigration documents and automatically tracks every deadline, flagging at-risk cases before they become legal liabilities. Immigration costs, real-time visibility into itemized spend and professional fees, allowing finance teams to forecast and plan with actual data. Actions required. A proactive widget that highlights urgent to-dos like pending signatures or missing files, ensuring a transparent experience for employees and total compliance for your team. But how does one start the daunting immigration process? We start with simple visa request on the immigration homepage. Step 1 is removing the "where do I even start" research gap. You don't need to be a lawyer to find answers, nor do you need to spend weeks looking for answers in old forums. You just need to start the process directly in-app, get a fast assessment of our AI-powered visa eligibility tool for instant guidance for over 100 countries and 200 visa type options. Our team will validate your eligibility journey as soon as you can start your case. Whether you're pursuing a founder visa or exploring options for a new hire, you get a clear breakdown of costs and timelines before you ever commit to an application. Once you have chosen a path, we move to the next step, completing your intake. Normally, this is where momentum dies. Users traditionally spend hours filling out manual immigration paper applications, often without context, what to fill or where. These errors, even as simple as your typos, lead to massive delays, like the dreaded request for evidence. With Deel, you leverage your internal data to fill out forms at lightning speed. By syncing with your HRIS, like Workday or BambooHR, 90% of the data auto-populates, allowing you to submit the total confidence. Deel also reviews your documentation to ensure it adheres to a host country's official standards before it reaches an official's hands. Once you submit all required documentation and information, you maintain full visibility with Deel. No more black box experiences that plague the industry. All case notes live in one place. Our attorneys define the legal strategy and prepare the petition. We move through a rigorous multi-step workflow, including strategy drafting and 3 layers of attorney review to build the strongest possible case. While we handle the heavy lifting, your immigration documents live securely with a compliance tracker, which proactively monitors your global workforce for expirations and legal shifts. You can act on alerts for upcoming deadlines or law changes, choosing to resolve them internally or letting Deel execute on your behalf. Once a petition is filed, Deel gives you the visibility manual spreadsheets can't for an entire global team. The case tracker oversees your case or cases in real time with clear next steps. You can also generate tailored reports on timelines, costs, and compliance risks across your entire workforce. Ditch the static PDFs. These are live, clickable insights that you can filter, export, and share with leadership in seconds. And last, but certainly not least, here at Deel, we ensure you're never navigating these shifting rules alone. Book time with your dedicated case manager directly from the platform, making it easy to get clarification, ask questions, or plan next steps. Because our experts manage cases globally, they understand how a regulatory shift in one region impacts your strategy in another. You get the perfect balance: intuitive self-service and elite human expertise. So stop managing your immigration in silos. Start running global work in one platform with total confidence. This is mobility at Deel speed.